Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix airplane mode not working on Monopoly Go. So the first step you simply need to do is to select the app and go into the app info. So once you are on that page, here you can see storage and cache. Click on that. First step you need to do is to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all permissions from here like this. Okay, once you done that, you need to go back and you need to open Play Store and search for the Monopoly Go, and you need to update your application. Once you done that, then you need to restart your smartphone. Once you complete all the steps, then you need to open the game and it will start loading here, and after once it is completed, you will not face any issue in playing the game in airplane mode. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.